Hey kids, let's learn ABCD with me. A says A is for apple, crunchy and red. B says B is for ball, bounce it ahead. C says C is for cat, purring on the mat. D says D is for dog, wagging like that. E says take this egg, fresh and bright. F says F is for fish, swimming left and right. G says G is for crab, walking side to side. H says H is for hat, wear it with pride. I says I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J says J is for jam, yummy treat. K says K is for kite, flying up high. L says L is for lion, hear my roar in the sky. M says M is for mango, juicy delight. O says O is for nest, cozy and light. O says O is for orange, round and bright. P says P is for parrot, talking all night. Q says Q is for queen, wearing her crown. R says R is for rabbit, hopping around. S says S is for sun, shining so wide. T says T is for tiger, strong with pride. U says U is for umbrella, open so wide. V says V is for violin, music inside. W says W is for whale, splashing the sea.